northern Maine are 25 miles an hour through town, and you will get pulled over and given a ticket if they catch you going faster. So
we did.
Because it's happened to us.
You know that from experience?
A couple times.
Yep.
I managed to go for this town and I didn't pull over.
What's that?
I managed to jog to the town and I didn't pull over.
Yes, I know. You did a much better job than I did.
I had to drive around a break.
I'm literally doing 26 miles an hour. Baxter State Park is where Mount Katahdin is located. That's where we just went by, took that beautiful picture. It's a nice little video. Usually when we drive through this town, it's later in August, and they're having their town celebration and parades and things like that. We've actually been in the parade twice. No parade today, just nice town though, very quiet. Then when you get to the edge of town, speed limits goes back to 40 and then eventually 50. And this is Route 11 in Maine. We take this all the way to Soldier Pond and then to the camp.